Restobrain.ai. As you can see, I'm logged into store.restobrain.ai. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a role, invite your staff to use our system, and create a roster. Firstly, let's create a role. To create a role, go to the roles section under the Management tab. Click on Roles. Here you can see Add Roles button on the top right corner. After you've clicked that, you can create roles for your staff in your restaurant. Roles can be manager, driver, front staff, back staff, cook, etc. For now, I will create a couple of roles. I will just do manager and just choose one of the color. The coloring will help to differentiate roles between the staff when you're making the roster. If it's manager, I'll choose the color red and press create. And likewise, we'll also create new role. Let's do supervisor and just choose one of the color again. And let's do a couple more. Let's say cook. And let's do the front. And lastly, I will do the delivery driver. Once you have created the role, now let me show you how to invite your staff to use the system. To invite your staff, you go to the user. Under the user tab, you can see request list. Once you click on request list, you can see the send email button on the top right corner. After clicking on send email, you will just have to put your staff's name and their email address and click on create. After you click on create, a link will be sent to your staff's email to fill the onboarding form. Once they fill the form and submit it, you'll be able to see it in the pending section until the authorized person approves it. The authorized person will have to allocate the roles to the staff several setups earlier, and also you have to write the pay rate and then you can approve the role. Here's an example of a staff's onboarding process. From the pending section, you can go to the three dots on the action and press view and check the information if it is filled properly or not. And now you can give single or multiple roles to the users, and you can just type in the pay rate for the staff. Once you finish this, click next and double check the information, and then you can approve it. When approving the staff member, make sure you enter the correct pay rate and assign the appropriate role. Once you have approved all the users, you should be able to view all the users in the user list. Now you will be able to do the roster. To do the roster, go to the roster section and click on list. And to add the staff member, you go to any staff member and select the time, start time, and time. And also select the role. If you'd like to, you can add a note as well, and then press create. To make the roster faster, you can drag this TikTok fork. You can do it between any staff members. Again, you have to add start time and select the role and click on updates. You can follow this process and finish the roster. If you don't want to do it right now, you can always save a draft. Once you are done with the roster, you can click on publish. Once you publish it, the staff member will be able to see the sit in Resto staff app. To know more about the staff app, we'll have a different video. Numbers are very important. So let's set up a budget. To set up budget, just go to store and then click on zones. We just put the figure here. For me, low is under 15%. Excellent is under 25%. And for healthy, it is up to 32%. And the rest is my danger zone. After being done with the zone, the next step will be adding the sales source, which can include sales from the POS system and third-party platforms like Uber Eats and DoorDash. To set up sales platforms, you just go to sales and then go to the sales platforms. This is here by default and store online. If you need to add third party, click on add platform on the top right corner and enter the platform name and commission percentage, just like I did. I will also add another one. Once we create the sales platform list, now we can forecast our sales. To forecast our sales, we'll need to go to roster again and click on list. And in this section here, you can just click it and forecast the sales. Store sales, let's say 1500 for now. And put the sales through each platform and update it. And similarly, you can do the sales forecast for all the 7 days. After you finish doing all the shift for the stuff and putting the right forecast, your roster should look like this. It is very important that you forecast right. And if there is third-party platforms involved in it, it's all to put the right conditions. That helps to build the accurate budget for the week. In this roster, the top bar here shows overall staff performance in percentage, and each column shows staff performance based on individual days. And in the top left corner, it shows overall sales, staff performance, and labor cost for the week. And if you want to make the roster for the next week, click on next week, and then click on the 3 dots and click import. And you can import it from any of the previous weeks you'd like to. And you can make the changes here. You can make the changes here and publish the roster. Once you publish it, your staff will be able to feed a shift in the rest of staff app. I hope this video will help you create roster, manage your staff, and control your budgets. If you need any help, you can contact our support team, and we'll be in touch with you very soon.